Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Welcome to Mavenzo TV. It's the World Cup qualifiers. Bafana 1, Nigeria 1. I'm joined by Zwedi. Brother.
Yes, brother. Now. Brother.
My brother.
Your Lagos FC. Your Lagos FC.
Point deduction FC.
Yes. They wanted to do that, brother.
Zwedi up to you.
Yes, brother. How are you?
I'm not.
First of all, let us congratulate our sisters for crying today. Yes, the Augurs have not come up with a victory.
Yeah.
We are going to have a problem.
Yes,
Our sisters are going to tell us nonsense, but the silence at home.
Yeah.
You see, even at Hillbro, there is silence, brother.
Very silent.
It's silence, brother.
Very silent.
There is no movement, nothing. Quiet, brothers. They are praying right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, they want something,
Yes.
but nothing is coming up.
Yeah, nothing.
They are trying all their luck, brother.
Yes.
Even today, they tried scoring with the hand, or they didn't try, but they scored with the hand.
Yes.
You see, if it's in your blood to rob people,
Yes.
it's in your blood, brother.
You'll rob them in football.
You'll rob them everywhere.
Yeah.
They are robbing our sisters, robbing us everywhere, selling us things that don't work.
Yeah.
I bought an iPhone last week.
It doesn't work.
Yes, when I try lighting it, it's not working. When I open, it's papers inside, brother.
Paper free.
Yes, brother. You must never say that. I said to myself, iPhone store is no longer far from me. I must go inside, brother. I wanted the cheap one, but I got it from Oga. And Oga gave me the wrong one, full of papers. Now this is what you get for robbing, brother. This is what you get for robbing me. Yes.
They even rob us in football.
Yes, brother. Even the gods, brother, they're denying them, brother.
Yeah.
They went to the oracles.
Yeah.
They went to the caves.
Yes.
But nothing came out, brother.
Yes.
Everything is coming down, brother.
Yes.
Everything is going down for them.
Yes.
What position are they, brother? Last. Yes, brother.
Yeah.
Yes, brother. They are last position, brother. Your Kolanap FC, your Okonko FC. Everyone is Uche in that bench. Uche, brother. Your Kolanap FC. Lagos FC. Points deduction FC. Last one. Yes, brother. Even if they can combine, they can say Lagos, Lesotho FC combined, brother. Will murder them combined.
All of them.
So this is South Africa, brother.
Yeah.
They cannot chow our sisters and chow us. Brother. It can't, brother. It can't, brother. They cannot have both, brother meals. They have to choose one, brother. It's either the main course or the dessert, brother. Yes, brother. But they chose main course, so the dessert we chow them, brother.
Yes.
They can't eat all of them.
I agree with you.
You check Mbogazi, brother. You check. I want to ask his age, brother. I need the parents, brother. Hi, brother. I know.
There's no way.
Lokman was outside, brother.
Dr. Kumalo back in the days.
Junior
Now the truth has come out, brother. I no. Lokman was locked, brother.
Yes.
Lokman found a locksmith. There was a locksmith, brother, called TLB.
Yes.
He locked him out.
Yeah.
He pushed him like a small boy. He felt like papers falling on down, brother. Try pushing me, Taps. This is Lokman, brother.
Yeah.
Again. Brother,
Give me a chance.
that one is not, brother.
Bro FC,
You'll fly, brother. You'll fly your Lagos FC. You'll fly, brother.
Ayakhona mana
Brother, yeah. Yes.
Ayakhona mana Jerry. Wena.
Look at the hairstyle, brother. Look, man. Look, dreads. Yeah. That's how he fell, brother. That's how he fell.
Yeah.
Bogazi, give him the man of the match. The entire season, brother.
Yes.
Some were complaining that, hey, he got defender of the season. Wada. Hey, where are they now?
Hey.
Brother,
Quiet.
player of the month,
Yes.
man of the match,
Yes.
tried the goal attempt.
Yes.
Nwabali saw nothing there.
Yeah.
He only saw the ball falling that side.
Saved by.
Yeah, saved by the air.
Hey.
Yeah, you see. But then again, you check that, brother. Our boys are playing good football. Now we are teaching Nigeria how to play football.
Yes.
They know how to be physical, but we know how to play football.
That's true.
Even when we've got Apollos is a star, brother.
Yeah.
Apollos is a star, even though sometimes he gets into the game in moments, but he's a star, brother. When we got Ngota that side, brother, you see that giant Goliath, I don't know, is it Uche or Chineke or Congo, I don't know. Chiramandare, or Akpe or brother. That guy,
He's big.
he's big, brother.
Yeah.
He's very big. But Nkota was able to
deal.
Yes, brother, he was able to. We were showing them that this is football, brother.
Yeah.
And original football can be found in South Africa, brother. This is how we play.
Yeah.
And the more we play like this, we are going to beat the likes of England.
Yes.
We are going to beat the likes of France. We are going to beat the likes of Brazil. This is our style of football. And we must celebrate it and embrace it, brother. We cannot change who we are. This is our identity, brother.
Yeah.
Everything is African, is South African.
Yeah.
Football starts here.
Yes.
And it will end here.
Yeah.
And Europeans will fill us in this World Cup.
Yeah.
Don't worry, we are already there. Some people are saying point deduction, they can go and complain everywhere. We'll go back. The handball, brother.
Yeah.
We also have...
Let's shoot in a bet. Ngati how para shoot we always we real loser, draw. No, let's shoot serious. We back. Ah para shoot we real loser. Over draw.
Brother, the Skukune is always on the other side. He was supporting Nigeria today. That's why he's all talking like this. He was screaming when Uche scored. Who was this?
Nani.
Yeah.
No,
Hillbrow FC. Hillbrow FC.
You know what the guy said to them?
He was supporting Nigeria.
I told them.
Stivo.
Okay, let me confess.
Yes, this is not my confession. This is Amafenzo to brother. You Skukune, you are a chameleon. First of all, we don't know whether you are Chiefs or Skukune. Second of all, now we don't know whether it's South African or Nigerian. Now we are fooled by... No, we know that Nigerians are black like us, but now we are fooled by this color. It's like a banana. Black on the outside, white on the inside. Nigerian. This one.
No, Steve. South Africa. No DNA. Just Steve. I told them Utila Zoina Ngelaki the way we play on. Yes, but in about how ya Sangana Junior Kai. So much Nigeria my score on your celebrating in Chile.
Sorry. You know what? We thought Idisky TV is far away from us. But he's here. Junior Kanye. Mini Junior Kanye is here. I'm a friends too. We've got another big problems here. We thought we got rid of Junior Kanye, but Junior Kanye is here. Mini Junior Kanye is here. How can you support Nigeria when you are South African? You are here already. He's an ogre already. Kolanat FC.
My brother, fighting no one. We are not fighting.
My man of the match, brother. I'd have to give it to the coach.
Hugo
Bros. You know how many games? Now it's 22 games unbeaten.
From that old man.
Yes. Since he took over, it's 22 games. People can check the stats. 22 games unbeaten. The stats are are real, brother.
And I'm not happy.
Everything is happy. Everything is jolly sweet. And thank you to our fans. To please like, subscribe, and comment on the other side. And please don't laugh alone. Laugh with all South Africans. And this one is Kukune. We'll deal with him. Don't worry. This one, probably. No, he's got my friend. This is the one who robbed me. Sold me an iPhone with papers.
Kwena handy chaps.
Big South African.